Hello friends, do you want to recover your deleted videos by mistake from your channel but you are not eligible for YouTube monetization program? Don't worry. In this video I will show you how to get those videos back even if you cannot contact YouTube creator support. This method is 100% working in 2021 and I used it for myself. Recovered my some videos which were deleted by mistake. Simply follow on screen instruction, open Gmail and compose email to YouTube. Now send them. You will receive email from YouTube shortly. Ignore this and reply back to them. Follow the instructions and copy the script from description. You will need your video link, SND channel link. After sending email your links, YouTube will send another email to fill theirs template and resubmit a video URL with name and date. Just follow the screen instructions. After sending complete template, you will receive good news email within 24 hours that your video has been reinstated. If you have any questions, please ask in comments. I will reply you ASAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye and wish you good luck.